run to on the way. Run to you. I'd see the faces that I miss you. Waiting underneath the trees, right there, waiting. And in that quiet summer light, soft light, you'd be standing there for me, just for me. I think about that sometimes, all the time. What it would feel like to see you again, yeah. If heaven has a part, if it does, I'd run straight into your arms, hold you like I never did before, never let go, no. Safe from all the harm, no more pain. I tell you that I love you, I love you. All the words I never said, I should have said. If heaven has a part, oh, if it does, I'd spend the whole day there instead. Never leave, no. We'd sit together on a bench, side by side, like we used to long ago, like before. Talking about the little things, just us, the only way we know. I laugh and cry at the same time. Oh, I do. Just great for you.